We are on a rice mission today, and we'll see what we can do. Hopefully we can get to an ATM that has some money, and we are assisted by a car today. It's hard to do this when you have a motorcycle carrying rice. So here's the guard. They are letting you out, no problem. All right. I didn't see any military here right now.
No, they were there this morning though.
They probably circulate around and circulate and percolate. Yeah, so the shocking is down here on the left, you see it.
Afternoon delight.
Yeah.
Well, there's a bank is actually on the right.
Yeah, but that bank sometimes has 100 people trying to get.
Is right there.
It's right inside here, so
Right there says ATM. Right there, just park in front.
you can just park there by the side, and it looks like somebody is there taking money out,
They're taking out the money.
and there's no line, so that's a good thing. All right, so the ATM machine did not give us any trouble. There was no lines. This machine is ATM machine is many times less occupied than in front of the bank here. There's quite a few cars out here though today. It looks to me like we see a lot more traffic. Is it not? I mean, the first few days of the quarantine, there was literally no traffic at all.
Now it's heavy.
Yeah, well, it's heavy traffic, not compared to normal circumstances. Then you have a line 9 kilometers all the way up to Severa here. I never go this way to Severa anymore. I take by SM there, the bypass, and it's
They're trying to lessen now the checkpoints.
oh, okay.
Only in between provincial.
So they're taking down the
boundaries.
they're taking down the checkpoints between
The
the
town
cities,
or
the towns.
What about the checkpoint to go to Angeles?
It's there, but they just let it go.
Oh, okay.
Because there are too many complaints of supply.
Yeah, no supply.
They got delayed and too many delay. So some goods are getting spoiled.
Right.
So now it's only between the two provinces.
Okay.
That's good.
The barangays or the subdivision you have, but
Here's
that's
the rice place.
Here's the rice place.
Primavera Rice Mill Corporation.
Right. So can you
There's
determine?
the prices.
Yeah. But
35 there.
right.
32.
Last time we
Can you check the rice, and you can kind of give us an idea if
Quality,
the quality? Yeah.
but the range is between 32 and 39, right?
Right.
Or 40.
That's right. So what we got last time, what I got was the last time what I got was this, right? So
Kali kami kahit pamiyani mo ka rin ang tao niya, kaya alam, may discount. Alit po ang ano niya, ito, 150. Isang sako. Alam yung bawas. At wholesale price na po siya ng service. Pamiyani mo ang tao niya sa subdivision.
we're giving it away.
Pamimigay lang namin kasi ang dami
So how
ito ba yun?
Apo.
Yeah, this is fine already.
is that good rice?
Yeah.
What about that one? Is it looking dirty?
No, the broken.
Yeah.
This is more basag-basag, no? Oh?
Depende kasi sa ano ng giling nila po, sir.
Oo, pangit yung giling This is a little, it's alright.
Which one? This one is okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
That one is kind of
because the a lot of broken
in dirt.
Kapagit ang bigas ng ano niya kasi lumawag.
old.
So what we do, can you give me a little discount? Last time I paid 40 for that. Can you give me a couple of pesos off?
Ano mo, pamimigay lang namin. Kawawa yung tao doon.
We're giving it away to families that has not got their relief package yet. See what you can do.
Naka-wholesale price na siya lang, sir. Bali 37.60 na lang daw po siya, no?
Magkano?
Bali 37.60 na lang daw po siya, no, sa 1880.
1880 po, 2760.
Discounted na nun.
Opo.
Okay.
So one sack is 1,000.
880.
1,880. That's equivalent to 37 something.
Okay, so give me 2 sacks. They're 50 kilo, right?
50 kilo.
Yeah, 100 kilo.
Pamigay lang namin eh.
Last time you buy this one.
Yeah. Namigay din.
We're trying to get some more for a little less money.
Pwedeng isakay doon sa likod.
Apo.
3760.
3760, sir.
Let me get some money out for you.
You will put the repacking in your place.
Yeah, we repack it. All right, so we are negotiating a little better deal. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We negotiated a little better deal. I'm trying to make the most out of it, and that, so we can get as much as possible out there. So now they're packing up the car here. Then we can head on back home.
Do you mind if we stop at the 7-Eleven on the way back? I buy water. Sure. I get my drinking water.
And here we got a couple of 100 kilo.
Thanks a lot, guys.
Or actually 100 kilos, sorry.
You're much better than a tricycle.
Yeah,
With aircon.
With hair.
air conditioner doesn't exist in the trike here, so. That is great. So we got that done.
You have plastic to put on.
Yeah, we got plastic bags. I bought 200 of them, so I think
How many kilo per
just one. And if there's a bigger family, we give them 2 bags, 3 bags, whatever.
2 kilo?
Yeah, 2 kilo. Each bag has 1 kilo, so that way we can control how we give it out. We know what we gave them and that kind of stuff. So it's a little tedious to repack it, but
Right.
it's better than.
We have it down to a science.
Yeah. Science, I don't know, but yeah. The scale we used is science.
It was
We used a rebar, and we had a known weight on one side, and we put rice in the other side until it balanced.
the old-fashioned way.
Old-fashioned way.
7-Eleven is.
It's on
After
the way,
the
after
turn.
the turn on the right-hand side. Right, yeah. Before you get to the ATM, it's
Yeah.
on the right-hand side.
Near the City Mall.
Before, way before.
City Mall is open also.
Yep,
Yeah, this grocery store is
it's
open.
just the grocery store and the pharmacy, nothing else.
You want to buy it there or?
No. At the 7-Eleven, they have the
Alkaline.
alkaline water.
Alkaline water.
I have to drink alkaline water, otherwise I swell up like a balloon.
It closes the pores. The alkaline.
It helps, yes. The alkaline water
There's
actually.
7-Eleven also there.
Yeah, I know, but there's one right here. You
On
see
the
it?
right hand
Right
side,
there,
it's
7-Eleven right there.
easy access.
Very easy.
There, 7-Eleven.
Right after the motorcycles, just park on the right-hand side where that motorcycle's coming out. Right there.
Yeah, you see 7-Eleven.
There you go. Just pull alongside.
we get that door open up, we can. All right, so there you go. Let's go and pack this up.
Right next to you, it's true. Right next to you, next to you, next to you, next to you. Who would have thought I'd be up on cloud nine? I would never take our love for granted.
And here's the relief rice, and we are gonna pack that up and give it away.
Yeah.
Relief rice. Relief rice. Yep. And we're gonna pack it up and give it away. All right, so that is today's pack up that we did. Repacked it. So it's about 150 kilo that's gonna go out. All right, so here we have arrived at one location. In here, about 24 families. A little hard to keep social distancing.
Pamilya lang ha, pamilya.
But we're gonna try to do that. 24 families, probably about 70, 80 people living in here. I see quite a bit of children, and they told us they had not really got a relief package in about 10 days, so we helped them out a little bit. And here we arrived to another family, and sticking some bags on the table, try to keep the distance.
Pwede ko po kayong magano. Kung gusto niyo po
One of the things that surprised me a little bit is the fact that they're not using masks for some reason, and that's a little unusual to me. So, what do we got? So what we decided we're doing, we have to give 2 kilo per family.
2 kilo per family.
Right? And then we come back. As soon as we can replenish, I'll come back.
Okay.
If Mabalacat City comes here, I'm not going to give it to you. Because then you get from them, right? So we got to spread it out to families who doesn't get.
Thank you very thank you. 2 kilos. Every family.
Yeah, how many families?
4 families here. 4.
That's 8 kilos. So there's
5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. How many families? 2 kilos. 2 family. 4 kilo. 1, 2. No children, no children.
Dabawal daw bata! Dabawal daw bata!
Social distancing po. Social distancing po tayo.
This is my friend. What's your one family?
One family. Oh. Shell. Shell. Opo.
Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.